you can count this as a voice review, but this isn't a CNN. Her name's Lori. She's a name. Her non-biological sister is basically totals. As you can see, she's a 9. Her health is 2. Her stamina is 4. Her skill check is 3. Her stealth is 2. Her extraction is 5. I don't know why I forgot that. 1 second, I gotta make sure that it's 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I forgot her movement speed. I fixed it. I'll make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What? 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. She's a literally like 5-year-old, so my accuracy isn't pretty good. So, wow. I'm gonna do something. Boop, boop, boop. Look at her eyes, guys. I got lazy on the cat. I'm gonna add some white too. Why is it green? Let me add some white. It wants the cat to be evil, guys. I guess I should change it to red. What the heck? Why is it working? Oh my gosh! It's Evil Kitty. Never mind. I'm making it Cute Kitty. Wow! The kitten is very cute.